Deira Youth Trading LLC was established in Deira, Dubai in 2000, which specializes in car accessories and car audio electronics. Over the years, through new designs and combined resources, Deira Youth Trading has consistently provided human-centric products, creating dream goods to enhance the interior quality of cars for customers. DYT Trading is dedicated to providing customers with high-quality products at reasonable and competitive prices. Our services are specialized in speed racing, formula products, and car electronic and audio items for the electronics market in Dubai. Therefore, we offer high-quality products, excellent professional services, and ongoing support to our customers. DYT Group has developed good relationships with customers from local and international markets. DYT Company has achieved great success in becoming one of the competitive suppliers of car audio and video system products. Winca, superb sound, unparalleled picture, quality you can trust.
It's luxury products. This one is for Tesla. This one is for Tesla, and this one is for Benz. Yeah, now come to here. This is for USA cars and also Ford. For Saudi Dubai market is very good sales. This is a double screen.
Wow. This is the new generation of the monitor, right?
Yes, this is the new generation of the monitor, and it's Android 13.
Yes.
The LCD is very high definition.
An experience beyond expectation with amazing sound quality and clear images from Winca. Connect to the automotive world with pure sound and perfect picture with Winca. The branches of DYT Group are currently serving valued customers in the United Arab Emirates, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Oman, Muscat.